The magnetic reed switch sensor is a simple yet effective magnetic field detection device. It relies on the basic principles of magnetism to serve as a switch that can be control LED without physical contact, making it ideal for security, automation, and various other applications. The sensor consists of a reed switch encased in a glass tube and a separate magnet. When the magnet comes into proximity with the reed switch, the magnetic field causes the metal reeds inside the tube to come together, completing the circuit. Basic functioning involves positioning the reed switch and magnet in a way that they are close but not touching. When the magnet comes into proximity, the reeds inside the switch close, signaling that the magnetic field is present. This change in the state of the switch can be detected by a connected microcontroller or other electronic system. In summary, the magnetic reed switch sensor serves as an essential component in security systems and door/window monitoring applications. Its simple yet effective magnetic actuation allows for versatile uses in a variety of setups.